You guys, it's getting late, so I'm trying to knock these videos out before dormir commence a entrer nos yeux. Come on. If you're not familiar with shopmissa.com, Shopmissa is basically a website where all of the products that they sell are $1. $1. Think about it. It's basically a beauty supply Dollar Tree in one, if that makes sense. They have all types of products: masks, concealers, foundations, eyelashes, sponges, beauty tools, makeup, jewelry, accessories, clothing. So my package came in from Shopmissa, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. I really need to go on a no buy. That's what I really need to do. I really need to go on a makeup no buy. I think I spent less than $20 for all of these items. I don't have the receipt, however I do have the product list. Alright, so for those of you that are makeup enthusiasts, makeup artists, or someone that just has a collection of makeup, when it comes to eyeshadows, you know how when you're using a brush and sometimes you need to switch a color and you basically rub it in a paper towel or makeup wipe or whatever the case may be so that you can clean it. Shopmissa has these color switch brush cleaners. These are $1. As I said, everything is $1. I'm not going to repeat the price, y'all. Everything is $1. After you use a brush and you want to switch the color eyeshadows without getting them like mixed up, you swivel the brush into here and then dip it into the next color and apply it to your eyes. Like this brush right here has a little green on it. Comme si. Comme ça. Worked for me. I bought 2 of them actually. Used this one on my eyeshadow look today, and then I bought a second one for my makeup kit, my professional makeup kit. I also got an eyelash curler. I used to have a whole bunch of these, and then I don't know what happened. The other day I needed to use one and I couldn't find any, so I was like, let me just get one for $1. Guys, you take your eyelashes, you stick them in, and then you push them, and then it curls your eyes. Especially when you have like those lashes that you apply onto your eyes, but then you still need them to like curl to really get the form, the natural form. This is good for that. Next, I got a tinted brow pomade. Basically, this is a brow gel, and I got it in the color dark brown. Is this dark brown? I lied, I got it in the color ebony. Here's what it looks like. It's just basically, it's like a brow pomade. It's a brow gel for $1. I feel like you can't get any cheaper than this, especially a brow gel. So if this works and it's $1, I also got some lashes, and they're actually the lashes I'm wearing now. These are called Elizabeth, and I got 5 pairs of these. What I discovered is that the good lashes on that website sell out fast because a lot of them were sold out. Here's what Elizabeth looks like. She basically looks like a Demi Wispy, an Ardell Demi Wispy. I also got tweezer scissors, tweezers. I don't think I ordered this. Did I? I did. I thought these were the fancy eyelash application tool. Clearly these are scissor tweezers. I still feel like I'll still be able to use these to apply lashes though. I bought a chain, and it has a crown on it. I think it was the crown that had me at hello, but I didn't think that the crown was actually gonna be this big. Like, it's pretty big. I'm not gonna wear this. And it comes with earrings. Somebody like AOA is basically the brand of Shopmissa. Shopmissa sells other brands as well. However, the brand from Shopmissa is called AOA. So all of the things that I've showed you are from the AOA brand itself. However, the main thing that I really went on the website for was for these dollar sponges. I want my channel to kind of gear more towards getting things that are more affordable for you guys, because of the simple fact that I know that not everybody wants to spend $20 on a sponge. So they have dollar sponges. And these dollar sponges are actually, these were actually $1.55. This was the only thing that was not $1. The only reason why it wasn't $1 is because these sponges are in collaboration with Paw Paw Charity. Every time one of these are purchased, the 55 cents is donated to the Paw Paw Charity, which prevents animal cruelty. I don't even know why I bought this many. I bought 5 of them. I bought five. Number one, I want to try it out to see like if it's $1. And I can tell you right now, it's soft. It's soft. It's soft. Wow, it's actually very soft. I wouldn't expect it to be this soft for $1. We're gonna get back into this sponge in detail in another video. Oh my gosh. No, I gotta try this. I definitely gotta try this. Like $1? Spend $20 on one. That's everything I got from Shop Miss A. So I basically just wanted to put you guys onto a website where there are beauty products that are $1. I get it. We don't want to spend so much money on XYZ when it comes to makeup products, and I completely understand. Check it out. This obviously wasn't sponsored. I bought all of this with my own money. And it's still all of that for $20, not bad. Like lashes, bro, like tweezers, brow pomade, sponges. The sponges I think are actually gonna be pretty good. If you're interested, just check it out. If you are still interested in watching me, here you go.